Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To make it easier to replace the oven door gasket in your gas range, we recommend removing the door by rotating both door hinge locks back. Then partially close the door and lift it off. Pull one of the gasket ends from the slot in the frame, then detach the retainers to fully remove the old gasket. Install the new oven door gasket by snapping the retainers into their respective frame slots. With the retainers in place, tuck the gasket ends into the two slots at the bottom of the frame. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward.